The second type is a late CC. This CC it came after some candles of the creation of the level and must be close the same direction as that level. Now we move to the third concept called equilibrium. So, what's the meaning of equilibrium? It's uh, it's very simple. Equilibrium is basically something inside something else, a level inside another level. While price is moving, we can spot some consistent footprints of the moves. Equilibrium is one of the main things we use to spot this footprint. The way we use equilibrium is dropping one time frame lower than the main time frame you want to see its equilibrium. We use equilibrium from H2 and below, meaning the equilibrium of H2 time frame is one time frame below. It goes to H1. The equilibrium of H1 is M13. The equilibrium of M13 is M15. Those are the main equilibriums we use. There is another one is M20 to M10. I use it sometimes when those three are not there. So when looking for any upcoming combinations for equilibrium, the known two levels you are looking to using equilibrium concept must be both at the same exact price level. For example, we have A level. We have A level or H1. So A level on H1. The meaning of looking for equilibrium of H1 is going down to M30 and see what there is in M13 at this exact same level. That's the equilibrium, meaning something inside something. In higher time frame, we have H1, A level. We mark that level and we go to M13 to see what M13 have at this exact same level. It can be another classic, can be a gap, can be a classic CC, it can be a gap CC, many different levels. So this is the concept of CC. The way we use it is dropping one time frame below the main time frame. Use it from H1 to H2 to H1, from H1 to M30, from M30 to M15. And there is another one, I use it sometimes, M20 to M10. So that's all what we have about the introduction. levels on the concepts called levels. We have our main levels, classic A or B. We have a classic breakout. We have a gaps. Last one is a QM. Those are the main levels we are going to use from now on. For the concepts we learned, concepts we have crash and crash levels. We have a confirmation candle, the types, a direct CC and a late CC. The last one is equilibrium. So by now, I want you to watch this first lesson several times and make sure you understand everything in it. It's very important to get a full understanding of it because from now on, what we learn today is the things that we are going to use all the time for the upcoming lessons. So when we start learning the setups and entries, I don't want to receive questions about the basic stuff like how to mark a level, what is that level, what's the meaning of CC, late CC, big breakout CC, and so on. I can't stress enough about this. Take your time, study, explore short, and ask me about anything you didn't get well. We cannot move next until you get the full understanding of our levels and concept. So take your time. See you soon. Thank you.